Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive files on Audible. So, once you open your Audible app, you want to go to the library, which is right here, and then by going to the collections, which is this one, you are going to find the archive folder. And here you are going to find all the titles that you have archived. As you can see, I do have only one. If I want to unarchive it, just want to press 3 dots and here remove from archive. And now I'm going to be able, and you also, if you followed my steps, to find it in your main library. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.